Over 10 arrested at Herald House amid anti-government tensions. The 17th of October 2025, Harare, Zimbabwe. By a correspondent, a heavy police operation unfolded this afternoon at Herald House in central Harare, where more than 10 people, mostly war veterans, were arrested in what eyewitnesses described as a dramatic preemptive crackdown on planned anti-government demonstrations. Among those detained are 4 prominent figures: CDE Mutiwa, Change Champion Mapengo Honorable Chagwiza, and Honorable Chigwaregwa, who are accused of mobilizing support for the protest action, reportedly spearheaded by war veteran Blessed Runsu Jeza, better known as Comrade Bombshell. Eyewitnesses told Zim Breaking News that police surrounded the Herald House complex just before midday, detaining a group that included 3 women and at least 7 men. Plainclothed officers were seen escorting the suspects into police vehicles under tight security, as crowds watched from nearby pavements. The war veterans were just loitering at Herald House when the police moved in suddenly, said one witness who requested anonymity. Sources within the security establishment confirmed that the 4 high-profile suspects were taken to Harare Central Police Station for questioning. In connection with subversive activities, the arrests come on the same day that activists had planned an anti-corruption and anti-government march, calling for President Emerson Mnangagwa's resignation. Authorities have repeatedly warned against unauthorized demonstrations, citing threats to public safety and order. As of this evening, the Zimbabwe Republic Police, ZRP, had not issued an official statement regarding the arrests, and efforts to contact the police spokesperson were unsuccessful. The situation in the city center remains tense, with heightened police presence and reports of increased surveillance around key government buildings. Source ZimI. Stay tuned to Zim Breaking News for live updates as this story develops. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to get the latest verified news from Zimbabwe and beyond.